Okay, can you tell me your name, please?
Linda Jones,
Linda, where are you from?
Amherstburg, Ontario.
And Linda, tell me now, what kind of problems were you having before you came here for the stem cell therapy?
I had severe pain with arthritis in my knees, everywhere, my arms, hips, my back, and mostly my knee was why I came, because of the pain that was so bad, giving me trouble walking, sleeping, doing household chores, everything.
Okay, and what were you diagnosed with?
Osteoarthritis.
Okay, and like how bad was it? Was it like, did they call it a certain name or anything, or was it, you know?
Oh, I was bone on bone, he said.
Oh, you were bone on bone?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what was your quality of life then?
Wasn't much, because I couldn't do too much of anything. The pain was so severe that I'd walk a few steps, then I'd have to stop and sit if I had, or else I'd sit on my walker, or if there was a bench nearby or something when I was out shopping and stuff. Wasn't sleeping, so I was being tired all the time.
What kind of sleep were you getting at nighttime? Like how long would it last?
Maybe 3 hours maximum, and then that was interrupted with the pain, also having to toss and turn and relocate to try to get the pain gone.
So life was kind of rough then.
It was hard.
How were you able to, let's say, like do yard work and stuff like that?
I didn't do anything. My sister and her husband always did everything for me.
Did? Okay.
My sister even did the house cleaning for me, everything.
Wow. Well, you're lucky to have a sister like
I
that,
am.
that's for sure. And you were taking quite a bit of medication at that time?
Lots of stuff.
Lots of stuff. How was your disposition, would you say? Were you happy? Were you excited to be living?
No, I was depressed. I was on, not just because of this, but I was on antidepressants. I didn't have a social life. I wasn't doing anything, didn't go to movies or anything like that because I just didn't feel like it because of the pain.
Wow. And this has been going on for how long? How many years?
I've had arthritis for 10 plus years.
Okay. Now, you came in here on January 25th of 2018. You received the care. Give me an idea. Has anything changed? And if so,
Everything's
what?
changed. Everything's changed. I'm a new me. First of all, the pain is minimal now. My doctor in March took me off of my fentanyl and my Percocet, which are narcotics. I'm now only taking Motrin. I'm sleeping all night, 6 to 7 to 8 hours even sometimes. I'm shopping and losing weight because I can walk. I've lost 13 pounds since January, which is awesome for me. Both my doctors, my endocrinologist and my family doctor are impressed and excited for me. But the most important thing that I can do, I raked my leaves in my house for the first time in 10 years.
In 10 years?
In 10 years, and my sister and brother-in-law have always done it, and I did it for the first time, and I even surprised myself. And then a neighbor drove by, and she did a Yui with her car because she didn't think it was me, and then she came back to say congratulations to me. So
wow, so the whole neighborhood was aware.
yeah, everybody sees the change because I'm out now, and I'm not in the house all the time, and doing my own everything now.
Fantastic.
Yeah, big difference.
Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.